Apple has announced the release of iOS 18.0.1 for iPhone users, addressing a significant number of bugs and two critical security vulnerabilities. This update is essential for enhancing the performance and security of your device, featuring the following improvements. The touchscreen may become temporarily unresponsive under certain conditions on the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro models. The camera may experience freezing issues when recording macro mode video in 4K with HDR disabled on the iPhone 16 Pro models. The introduction of iOS 18.0.1 follows closely on the heels of the major iOS 18 update, which was launched just weeks prior. Its release was anticipated by experts in the field. According to Apple, this update includes important bug fixes and security updates for your iPhone. Among the security enhancements, iOS 18.0.1 addresses two vulnerabilities for users who have upgraded to the latest software. The first issue pertains to the media session feature, which could allow audio messages to capture a few seconds of audio before the microphone is activated, specifically affecting iPhone 16 users, as noted on Apple's support page. The second vulnerability, identified as CVE 2024-44204, could potentially allow saved passwords to be read aloud by voiceover, a situation that is far from ideal. Sean Wright, head of application security at Featurespace, emphasizes that this latter vulnerability is the more significant of the two addressed in iOS 18.0.1, stating, "It is not great to have your password read out aloud." However, he also points out that the risk of this remains low since any attacker would have to be in a position to listen. Despite the fact that these vulnerabilities have not yet been exploited in real-world attacks, Wright strongly advises users to update to iOS 18.0.1 promptly. I concur. It is advisable to update to iOS 18.0.1, as it includes important bug fixes that enhance the functionality of the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro touchscreens. Additionally, this update resolves issues such as unexpected message closures when responding with a shared Apple Watch face and camera freezing problems experienced by iPhone 16 users. If you have recently upgraded to iOS 18, or if you have yet to do so, there is no immediate action required if you are still using iOS 17.7, unless you choose to upgrade now that certain bugs have been rectified. For those already on iOS 18, it is recommended to proceed with the update to iOS 18.0.1. Navigate to Settings, General. Software Update to initiate the update process. Thank you for your attention. Please consider liking and subscribing for more engaging content.